Hello viewers, very warm welcome to all of you. And today in this video, I just want to first of all thank all of you for your sincere support to our Maligai Dental Academy YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of communication in your everyday life. Dear friends, this video goes to those young doctors who have just passed out and who have just come out of the college and who are entering into a private dental practice, be it a job or be it under somebody or be it your own clinic. The most important skill for success in dentistry is communication skill. The one thing which I lack in young doctors when they come to my dental clinic, when I find them, what I find them is they lack very poor in their communication skills. They are not confident in talking, they are not confident in communicating the points to the patient, and the patients are also not confident in expressing their feelings to you. I was keep on looking at my assistants and I felt we have to motivate them, and I thought this video will help them also and you also. The first thing in a communication is expressing your confidence. Yes, expressing your confidence comes from a good thought. Yes, you always have to go to a patient with a good intention to help the patient or to relate to the patient. Many people, they think they have to go and see the dental problem. First of all, don't go to any patient just thinking that I will go and see what his dental problem is all about. This is a very wrong thought, because if you go like that, you will not connect them with your heart, rather you will connect them with your mind. And this is the problem I find in most of the dentists, especially young dentists. They don't want to connect with the patients in a deeper level. They want to connect to the patient as a doctor and just a patient. First of all, any human being talking to another human being, that too in a clinic, when there is a patient and a doctor relationship, it has to be highly emotional, because once you are emotionally connected to your patient, only the patient is going to trust you. Trust establishment is going to be the first thing in your dental practice. If at all, in my clinic, the day one I started my clinic, the first thing I realized is to keep up the trust of my patient by properly understanding their needs and keeping up my promises. Dear friends, I would like to tell you, many of the doctors, they just go to a patient just for their dental problem. I have never done that. I always wanted to communicate to the person in a deeper level. So my intentions always have helped me, and I can tell you I have huge patient base with huge practice is because of only one thing, which I want to develop a relationship with my patient first. A good relationship. A relationship is always good when you have mutual trust between you and your patient. Please don't go to any patient just to solve their dental problem. Go to the patient with an intention to gain their trust, to gain their attraction, to gain their heart, not their teeth. Okay, so please understand that. Connect to the patient at a deeper level. Have empathy. The second thing is to have empathy. You should feel their pain, you should feel their problem, you should feel their mindset through their shoes, not your shoes. Wear their shoes and see why they have come to you. What is the purpose of their visit to the dental clinic? If you are the owner, you should be even more cautious in this, because if you really want to connect with your patient, you have to understand that you have to be very empathetic. Otherwise, what will happen? You will be talking only the dental portion of the patient, and the patients are going to compare you with any other dentist. But if you talk nicely, if you relate to them nicely, they will always have a good opinion by thinking that you have a very good soft heart towards their feelings and their problems. So they will always think you are one of the best dentists they have ever seen. So the first thing is be empathetic and be concerned to their heart and not to their minds. The second thing I just want to tell you is be real to them, be expressive. Talk to them, express your feelings to them by your actions, by your words. Show enthusiasm in your communication. You should be passionate to talk to them. You should not feel bored, or you should not feel dull to talk to them, or you should not feel why I have to talk to this patient. And you should never approach any patient for the sake of approach. Yes, lot of dentists, young dentists, they just go randomly, and they just don't even know anything, they don't even have anything in their mind, they just go talk, and randomly they come and tell me, sir, I went and saw this patient, this is the finding. I can tell you, lot of people are doing this. You don't do this. First of all, if your intention should be to win their hearts, you will be paying more attention, you will be spending enough time with them, and you will be always listening to their queries properly. So please be aware that you have to be empathetic, and you have to win their trust, and you have to be real, and you have to show your enthusiasm. You have to show your enthusiasm. You should be passionate in talking to them, because that will really help them to gain their understanding and trust. I want to tell you, express yourself nicely, use props, use boards, use your mobile phone, pictures, videos. These are all will really help you. This all will really help you. If at all, if you are not using any of these things which I have told you, and you are just telling verbally, I am telling you, you are not going to win the patient's heart. Rather, the patient will consider you as a normal dentist, and he is not going to come to you. Please use your enthusiasm to the maximum. And the final thing I just want to tell is, show real love and affection. Treat them like a family member. If you treat them like a family member, the energy, your energy, your energy, inner energy and aura will be very different with them, and really they can feel it. As I want to tell you, every human being can feel another human being, even though they are not talking. You can feel the aura of each and every person around you. If there are positive people, if there are negative people, if there are people who are very poisonous also, our aura can sense it. We have an inner human being, inner sense of being, which can really feel the persons around us. So this is intuition. This is a supernatural feeling every human being has got in the form of intuition. So I would like to tell you, if you consider them like a family, really your inner spirit will be very positive towards them, and your care and concern will be totally different. These are the secrets which I use, first of all, to convince any patient. I never go and fake myself. I never go and tell about myself. I always ask their interest, and their interest. Talk less about you and talk more about them. Talk less about your problems and your statements. Listen more. Please listen more. So quickly, I want to summarize this video. The first thing you have to do is to gain the trust of the patient. You have to really ask effective questions and listen to them. The second thing is, be very empathetic. Be very feelingful towards their heart feelings. Be real to them. The third thing is, show enthusiasm in your communication. Use props, tools. Try to explain them enthusiastically. This will really help. And the one last thing which I've told you is, be real and your inner aura. Be real and be sympathetic, so that your inner aura will be able to communicate with them. Because I have found, when my inner aura is positive, really the patient listens to me, because my soul and their soul will get connected very easily. If I treat them in a very deeper level, if I consider them in a deeper level, thoughts have vibrations, energies. We have energy. We are all energy. So your energy and his energy should match, so that he listens to you. These are all deeper level things. Please read more subjects, more books on these subjects of intuition, of inner communication. Communication skill is the only skill which you need to develop immediately, because this is the skill which is not taught you in colleges. So read books on it, watch videos on it, and you will really understand the importance of this, which I am telling as years goes by. So thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Please put your valuable comments about this video, and share this video if you like this video. Thank you, and God bless you.